Ratchet, I am worried about Miss Apogee. She may have run into trouble.
Relax, she's fine. She's got those two warbots protecting her. Let's go see what Quark wants, and we'll meet up with her later.
Well, I'll be. These souls are rare. See if you can find some more. I'll pay you extra.
Assassin has returned! All units, comb the festival grounds! Divert all military spacecraft to the Macasian station in Sector 9. All civilian vessels are to evac immediately.
Watching our noble gladiator in the thick of battle, fighting immeasurable odds for eternal glory, makes me realize
Christmas trees. Looks like our challenger is a few agonizing hits away from that big furball farm in the sky. He just can't seem to land a hit, folks. This guy must be more irritated than a one-legged droid in a butt-kicking contest.
Outstanding work, strangers I've never met. And now the fruits of your labor. One hollow pirate disguise, perfect for parties and undercover misadventures. And for the little guy, a copy of my new exercise book, Body by Quark. Now you two can have the calves of a champion.
Did you call us here for a reason, or are you just trying to get us killed?
Can it be both? I'm just kidding. Here, I found this in Tachyon's underwear drawer. I thought it was... I thought it might be a clue.
It's time for another installment of the Polaris Compendium of Historical Importantness. In this chapter, we will explore the galactic awesomeness that is Iris. The largest supercomputer in Polaris history, this mysterious behemoth is said to have an IQ of 3 billion. That would mean 170 Terracnoid sages or 3 billion Holonet fanboys. Built by an unknown race eons ago, Iris once served as the ultimate search engine for the universe. Now it resides deep within pirate territory, sealed off from the public. Its only master, the duplicitous Captain Slag. This has been another depressing installment of the Polaris Compendium of Historical Importantness.